awaken, and from the darkest depths I'm taking new thoughts and ideas that have a meaningful place in. See, I've been constructing a state of mind that's erupting in a feeling, get a meaning. I'm watching people corrupting. See, the mind is a terrible thing to waste. Start abusing, you'll start losing once you got the taste. With a matter that is priceless, completely off the price list. A reason to think twice and a reason you must fight this. Be making sure control it so the letter starts unfolding. If it's up to me, I nevertheless the doors be closing in my mind. Cause this ain't a white lie, a step to the sideline and check the shit behind. Again, in time it's always on a go, trying to keep the shit in tow, trying to be ducking all the blows and definitely trying to keep composed. No one said it'd be easy, but still you complain. I guess it's just human nature when you're under the strain.
You started playing with my mind.
Started playing with my mind. I recognize the signs.
I recognize the signs.
It's getting worse all the time. Start playing with my mind.
You started playing with my mind.
Started playing with my mind. Seen to recognize the signs.
It's getting worse all the time.
Oh no, once again confusion flowing through the pen. Artistic, realistic like the hard life back then. Games is being played and I don't seem to be getting paid. It's upsetting cause I'm letting still, I'm fretting like every day. That's the whole I'm trying to judge, but obstructions can't abut. Still it's important to know your friends so they can give you a nudge in the right direction. Cause an intersection and a welcome reception, a vision, a reflection. I'm thinking more and more but must be getting up and out. Situations and people are beginning to time me out. Delving into fathoms of some people I know haven't. Look and see them speaking now, I'm blocking this apparent. Sometimes I sit and wonder if I wonder too much. So what's the fuss I gonna cross and try to keep in real touch with my sins? I must be the force of green in this tin, because the spin that I am in is beginning to win.
You started playing with my mind.
Started playing with my mind. I recognize the signs.
I recognize the signs.
It's getting worse all the time. Start playing with my mind.
You started playing with my mind.
Started playing with my mind. Seen to recognize the signs.
It's getting worse all the time.
So start playing with my mind.
Blow your mind, mind. Blow your mind, mind. Blow your mind, mind. Blow your mind, mind.
My sanity's being provoked and it's gonna be on the joke. Or so I'm looking for the smoke to clear what's taking another toke. Yo, people be pushing the loud question, are they up to a rock? And is it because the life sucks and then they act as dumb fuck? Looking them up and down, you see it's like a game of chess. Ego's taking a grip, each and trying to be the best. Shall I push this further, push this to the test? Let this take its course and let this mayhem will invest. With this operation that I'm facing, trying to get in the place in. Being naive is never something I was laced in. Oh come on, get out of town, look at this man with a frown. Being a bit of scenic's never gonna help you get around. I know but this is the fence, so let the final commence. Cause it's getting very tense and I'm training all my sense into a chasm of sarcasm, turning things in with a spasm, a burst of enthusiasm. Why this twist